What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. I got John there, John Shane. You guys know him. But we're actually in a situation here. He called me to see if I could help out. I got this toilet here in a master bathroom, and just on the other side of this wall is the main toilet, and they're back to back, and he's having a hard time getting down. So we're gonna see if we can give a hand today and see if we might have a little bit more luck than him today. Hopefully we do, and we can get out of here. So he's running his K60 from Rigid. So we're just going to use that. So
I'm going to go to the other room, and when your cable comes up, if it comes up on the other side, I'm just going to give you a bang on the wall.
okay, perfect.
Okay?
Yeah. So the shower's back up as well, right?
Everything.
Okay. So we're going to try his clog chopper. So he uses the Rigid cable. I like the Milwaukee. So I've told you guys this in the past. You want to put it in like that where the bend is, and then you're going to quickly turn it. So that's the 90. All right, and that's the hope that we're in there. And that just shows you guys how fucking good I am.
Unbelievable.
First try.
Fantastic.
So it's going to be a nice short one. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy. That's John Shane, apparently behind the camera. Until next time, Taragna.